This program is a simple web page that demonstrates the five main pillars of JavaScript: variables, arrays, objects, functions, and loops. It begins with a standard HTML structure containing a heading, a button, and a pre-element where the output will be displayed. When the user clicks the button, the function run demo is triggered and it gradually builds a long text string called result, which is then printed inside the preg tag. The first pillar is variables. JavaScript allows us to store data in different ways. Here the code uses let for block, scoped variables like city and temperature, and constant for element for constants like gravity, and var element for the old function scope style. This demonstrates how data such as city names, numbers, and constants can be stored and displayed. The output shows the stored values, proving how variable act as a containers. And the second pillar is arrays, which are ordered collections of values. An array numbers is created with four elements. Then .push element is used to add a new element, and pop removes the last element. The map function is used to create a new array of squares, showing how arrays are easily manipulated. The results include the original numbers, the removed value, the square results, and the results of the array, which shows the power of arrays in the handling multiple values at once. The third pillar is objects, which store data as key value pairs. A car object is created with the properties like brand, model, and year, and it includes a start method that returns a string. Another object, person, represents an individual with first name, last name, age, skills, an array, and a full name method. The object shows how real world entities can be modeled in JavaScript. Calling methods like star dot or person dot full name demonstrate object functionally in action. The fourth pillar is functions, which allow code to be reused. A normal function multiply a comma b multiplies two numbers, while an arrow function greet name returns a greeting message. A recursive function factorial n shows how a function can call itself until it reaches a stopping condition. The output includes the product of numbers, a personalized greeting, and the factorial of 5, demonstrating different ways functioning and can be defined and applied. And the fifth pillar is loops, which help repeat tasks. A for loop doubles every element of an array. A while loop counts down from 5 to 1, and a do while loop runs at least once even if the condition is false. The for of loop iterates over arrays values directly, while the for in loop iterates through object properties. These loops highlight the different strategies JavaScript provides for handling repetitive tasks. Finally, all the results are combined into a single string and displayed inside the web page. In short, this program gives a hands-on demonstration how JavaScript variables, arrays, objects, and functions and loops work together to process and demonstrate and display the data in the VS Code. It shows the core building blocks of JavaScript programming, make it a complete educational example that covers everything from storing data, manipulating collections, modeling real-world entities, reusing logic, and performing repetitive actions all in one structured demo.